to enable secondary verification in Binance, which adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps. Login. Access your Binance account using your login credentials. Navigate to security settings. Once logged in, hover over your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Security. Enable 2FA. If you haven't already set up two-factor authentication, it's highly recommended to do so. Go to the two-factor authentication section and follow the prompts to set up 2FA using Google Authenticator or SMS authentication. Enable anti-phishing code. In the security section, locate the anti-phishing code option. Enable this feature by clicking on it and following the instructions to set a code. This code helps prevent phishing attacks. Enable withdrawal whitelist. Scroll down to the withdrawal whitelist section and click on it. Follow the prompts to add trusted withdrawal addresses. This feature ensures that withdrawals can only be made to pre-approved addresses. Review other security settings. Take a moment to review and adjust other security settings as needed, such as API permissions and account activity alerts. Save changes. After making any changes, be sure to save them by following the prompts on the screen.